Hello, I'm Justin Charlton-Jones. I'm a business growth specialist and coach. So how did I become a coach? What qualifies me to advise other people on how to run their businesses? Well, I have more than 20 years experience of running 6 different businesses. My story is that after university I worked in the city for a number of years as an investment manager. I then moved into marketing, spent 3 years doing marketing in financial services, and then moved into market research, and then joined a number of independent market research agencies, 6 in total. 3 of them I was managing director of, and another 2 I was a UK board director. So I have practical experience of all the aspects of running a business. So some of the companies are quite small, so I was involved not just in the management, but in the HR, in finance, in operations, and much larger companies where we had large teams who were able to do the bulk of those things for me. But in addition to my experience of actually managing businesses, I've attended Cranfield School of Management, and whilst I was running all these market research businesses, the majority of the projects that we carried out for our clients were all about optimizing the relationship between a brand and its customers and its audiences. That involved helping them to optimize their advertising and their marketing communication, improve the customer experience, the product experience, working on new product development. And of course, whilst I've been running all these businesses, I've been coaching and mentoring the teams of people who've been working for me. Finally, on top of that, I spent 16 years in the Territorial Army, and 3 of those commanding an armoured reconnaissance squadron with 120 soldiers. So I have a lot of leadership experience in my background as well. And of course, the other thing I should say is that I have access to all the tools within the ActionCOACH Toolbox. The combination of my experience, the ActionCOACH tools, and my clients' knowledge of their own sectors, their own businesses, is what creates the recipe for success.